The P0741 diagnostic trouble code indicates a torque converter clutch solenoid performance issue, or that the solenoid is stuck in the off position. This prevents the torque converter from properly locking up during operation. The torque converter clutch mechanically connects the engine to the transmission at cruising speeds to improve fuel efficiency. It typically engages between 35 to 45 miles per hour under light throttle conditions. The TCC solenoid is an electronically controlled valve that regulates hydraulic pressure to engage or disengage the clutch. Normal operating pressure ranges from 80 to 120 psi. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, monitors and controls TCC operation using various input parameters. It's typically located under the dashboard and processes data from multiple sensors. Modern vehicles use advanced OBD2 scanners that provide real-time TCC solenoid data, including duty cycle percentages and response times. These systems can even predict failures before they occur using machine learning algorithms. The first step in diagnosing P0741 is performing an initial scan to retrieve all diagnostic trouble codes and freeze frame data. This provides crucial information about when and under what conditions the code was set. Next, check the transmission fluid level, condition, and temperature. Contaminated fluid is the most common cause of P0741 codes, accounting for 34% of all cases. Look for dark, burnt fluid or metallic debris. Perform electrical tests to verify solenoid resistance, which should typically be between 20 to 40 ohms on a 12-volt system. Also check circuit integrity for proper voltage and ground connections. Hydraulic testing measures torque converter clutch apply and release pressures. Use a transmission pressure test kit to verify proper hydraulic operation under various operating conditions. Based on industry data, the most common root causes of P0741 codes are contaminated fluid at 34%, faulty solenoid at 28%, and wiring issues at 18%. Understanding these statistics helps prioritize diagnostic steps. Prevention is key to avoiding P0741 codes. Regular transmission fluid changes using OEM-approved fluids, periodic diagnostic scans during routine maintenance, and addressing related codes promptly can prevent cascade failures. A real-world example is Honda Technical Service Bulletin 20-007, which addressed widespread P0741 codes in 2018 to 2022 Accord models. The solution involved valve body replacement, achieving an 89% success rate with proper procedure.